Hello, Golden Keys. Welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. On today's video, I will be reinforcing the shelving unit in this closet space. The unit that was inside of this closet space was a wire unit, a wire shelving unit, like a standard one, and it fell down after having too much of a heavy load on it because it was not supported by the beams in this closet space. So my job today is to reinforce it. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'll try to explain the steps that I'm taking as I go along. But as you know, we have 2020 vision, and this is my first time attempting to do something like this. So I believe I can do it. Do you believe it? So anyhow, let's do it. Hey guys, let me go over the tools I will be using for this project. My stud finder, I purchased this from Home Depot. I will also be using my drill with a drill bit in it, and also a screw bit once I begin to screw the mollies into the wall. I will be using, well, into the wood that goes through the wall. I will be using these toggles, flip toggles. They are mollies, heavy duty. So I will be using these as well. I purchased these from Home Depot. They are the flip toggles. I will leave everything that I'm using today in my description, along with links if I can find them. Okay, and I definitely need my tape measure, and thinking I'm gonna need a hammer, and also my leveler. So I definitely need that. As you know, you need a pen or a pencil marker to mark off your space. I'll be using that as well. And these wood pieces, I believe these are 2 inches. No, this is like about an inch. 1 inch by 3 inches. Yes, a 1 inch by 3 inch slab of wood, because this is going to be my support. As you can see in the closet space prior, you can see the holes that were there. That's where the shelving went across that unit. And the weight of the clothes after a while brought the shelving down. It's because I noticed once I looked that these holes where they had mollies, but they had the regular mollies that really didn't have that back support to stop it from coming through. And they also did not have the mollies where the beams were. So what I'm going to do is take this piece of wood, place it on the back of the wall, find the beams, and attach this piece of wood to the beams. And then I'm going to attach the shelving unit to this wood, and that will add the support it needs to stay on the wall. Okay, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. Just remember, this is my first time doing this, so just bear with me. If you have any comments that you would like to leave, any ideas or any techniques that I can use in my future project, because I need to also do it in my bedroom, master bedroom closet as well. So just drop it down in the comments and let me know, okay? Or if you attempted this project before and you want me to see how your attempt at it came out, or your video on it, or what have, or a video on it, or what have you, just drop that link in my comments so I can take a look at it. Let me get started. Perfect. Okay guys, everything is leveled out as you can see here. So that beam goes from one end to the closet to the other end. Yes, and if you move the leveler over, you would see that everything is still leveled. There we go. And then you would want to move it to the other side as well to make sure that everything is leveled out. Okay, so we're gonna move forward. Got that in place. Now I'm going to use my stud finder to find the studs, okay? And these are the old mollies that were inside of the shelving unit, so I have to take those out. I just put my drill on reverse, hold the molly, and there we go. That's it. One, and I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to go. Okay. Just hold the back of that molly and reverse the drill, and it pulls right on out. And no, I didn't go to school to learn how to work tools and different things like that. Just have been so blessed to be in the presence of people who knew how to operate tools, and I paid attention and I just learned and picked up those traits. Okay. That's how I learned. I'm a visual learner. I see, I do. And what I don't know, I can Google or I can watch on YouTube to find out how to do it. So if it's something you never tried before, just know that the resources are out there and you can do it too. Okay, I tried it that way, but it didn't work out, guys. So I'm just going to use the toggles and just put it through the drywall. And I already pre-drilled my holes right there. I already put 2 of them in. I already placed 2 of them in. They are the flip toggles. I got them from Home Depot. Cobra 420R flip toggle. And you can use them for hollow walls, and they're supposed to hold up to 106 pounds. So let's see how it works out. Okay guys, I'm in Home Depot picking up the paint for the guest bedroom. So I did choose my colors. Just was looking at some towel for the kitchen as well. I like these. I'm thinking about these towels for my kitchen. I like that. We be jamming. Okay, where's the where's the counter? I said, call me if you need a friend. Oh, baby, now. If you need a friend, early in the morning now. They have other ones over here too. Their floors. Even if we don't do like a ceramic in the kitchen, that's pretty. You can do a the vinyl. Those are ceramics. That's pretty, but that'll clash with my floor, but it's real pretty. This way, babe, right? Yeah. Those vinyls. The only reason why I wouldn't go with a vinyl, because we have the laminate in the living area, and I think that it'll clash to have like plank and then the hole is different. It's too much. Yeah. Get ready to check out. And we're heading back to the car. Headed home. Got the paint. Got the guest room. Yep. Doctor, painting. Coat of white paint for I hang the shelves up. Got that rod hanging. Hopefully it keeps it supported. We'll see. Add it up. Have to vacuum and hang the shelves up. Okay guys, this is how the closet came out. It's the shelving unit. So it's up there. Thing about this shelving unit, if you want to add more shelves, you can. If not, then you leave it like this. Yeah. So I'm done with the closet. We'll paint it from ceiling to the floor. It's all done. Okay. Just gotta organize the clothes and stuff in the closet. And then the next step will be to paint this room over. It is this blue. This blue was, it's like a denim blue, denim navy blue. You can't really see the color on here, but it's a real pretty blue. However, the whole room is painted this color, which gives it a dark, cozy feeling. So I want to just light it up. I'm probably going to do the whole room the same color as the closet, the white, and maybe trim it out with a gray. Just to brighten up the space, make it more airy in here. Okay, this was a custom blend color. I had some curtains and I color matched it at Home Depot. Yeah. My bulletin board, well, dry eraser board used to hang right there, so that's what you see. Okay, moving on.